afternoon, I'm Pat Nash from InVMA, and today we're showcasing at a Maintec event, which is all about manufacturing maintenance, and we have a product called AssetMinder, which is specifically designed to allow you to monitor your assets within your manufacturing environment. And in particular, something which we're bringing to market right now is a retrofit condition monitoring sensor that you can very easily and quickly fit onto your existing machines and equipment, conveyors or process equipment, so you can determine how it's doing. And with this sensor we can have a wireless connection to a system of ours, allows us to bring sort of complex spectral data from the machine literally every 2 hours for up to 2 years with this one battery powered product. So we take all the raw data from this sensor, it's transmitted wirelessly, and that data goes into our platform where we do all kinds of mathematics on it to give us an output, which is basically like a spectral set of vibration data around a particular asset. We store that data continuously as well. So if you have this in place on your asset, you can see how it's performing in field. You can even determine when it's being used and not used, and simple things like that. But more importantly, you can look at degradation and what the expected life of that product is going to be, and also when you might want to maintain it.